Usembut Menteri Rangba ke jela ubak sengau Balang Dhar ha ke pratrik naitung ulaong baka Sorkar jela kelashim kya ya kajing sengau kya halur ke Foreign Contribution Regulation Act FCRA ke bakta ikikam niam ha ke jela ha ke badang shen Menteri Rangba ke jela ukon rat ke sangma ulayalam ya ke kinhun kinangalam Balang banyak kendu ya Menteri Kampo iya ke Sorkar pedeng u Amit Shah banyak keren halur ke negakam. Habakren Syllad patai kubor ubak sengau Balang ulaong bayakan kejing penben lala pen urlong da Menteri Rangba ke jela kenang ban ailat ekinong mikmat kinhun Balang bakin yok pen pau bet ha u Amit Shah halur kejing kibaki ya kendu. U Amit Shah ula pelat ya kapor na kabenta Menteri Rangba jongi. Haringkat lang, ukon rat ulayalam ya barok kinoyalam Balang kibala yok banyak kendu ya u Amit Shah ban bu ya kajing kerpat ke jongki. Halor kikam kibaya debat ke FCRA ong ubak sengau Balang. Usembut Menteri Rangba ula penpau baka jingada ya ka bahaka miat bat kijing mentoy jong kinhun Khristan kadang yai long kathong bahak mat jong ka Sorkar jela. Hapok kajingalam jong ukon rat sangma ngiyeng barabor nakabenta banyadai kipai Khristan ki jongi kata ha Meghalaya bat hakal lengkari. Kipai ba kidan kajing shanya ha Menteri Rangba jongi bat ngisngo sarong ya kata ulaang. Ubak sengau Balang ula kedo baka Sorkar kala jubab bat shimkyai kajing pensengau da kinangalam niam ha kejela. Man kipor bagi beriu jongi kia kendu yakum kini kajing kibaya day bat ki Balang bat kipai Khristan ngi judan hangta ban sengap bat ban le ukon ran ulai kendu kinangalam niam ulai alam ki Delhi bat kila yo kalat ban kendu ya Menteri ke Sorkar pedeng. Nilayo kumnu Menteri Rangba ula batai ha halor ki baro benrap ubak sengau Balang. Ngi ai kubleiru ya ke Sorkar pedeng ke balapan sengap ya ke jingkar pat ke jongi bat ai ke jingat rilang bat kini ke kinhuan hapo ke jingalam jong Menteri Rangba ke jela ula benram.
Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah he has given the appointment for Chief Minister. Under his leadership, he take all the church elders from different sections of society and they made hymns and they placed the request about the FCRA, you know very well. So we as a government, especially under the leadership of Sorkar we always want to protect our Christianity from the state of Meghalaya, especially and in the country as a whole. And you have seen that even throughout the countries, if any issues faced by the Christian people, they always face our Chief Minister. So we are very proud to say that. And obviously, especially from the legislature of Meghalaya, especially under the leadership of Sorkar, we are always there to protect our own people, especially when they face this type of issues in related with the churches or all the Christians people of the state. So we are here to protect, to listen the voice and the request by our peoples, and CM has done it. He met the people and the governments of Indian Union ministries, and we have seen what CM has clearly explained everything also. So from my side, I just want to share that we are very happy that thanks the government of India for listening to our requests, and finally that CM has took them to meet them personally at the level.